Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss subatomic particles. An atom is made up of three main subatomic particles: electron, proton and neutron. Electron, E-, it carries a negative charge. It revolves around the nucleus in different shells. Proton, P+, it carries a positive charge. It is present inside the nucleus. Neutron, N0, it has no charge. It is also present inside the nucleus. Atomic number Z. It is equal to the number of protons present in an atom. In a neutral atom, the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons. Mass number A. It is equal to the sum of protons and neutrons. Quick revision: electron, negative charge; proton, positive charge; neutron, no charge.